yoga studio, and I'm at the yoga studio.
Should I get you one?
No.
Make you.
Whoa!
Good job not going.
Whoa.
Some people lie, but they're looking for magic. Others they cry. I feel alive in the past magic. No easy love forever make me feel the same.
Oh shit!
Bro, are you fucking kidding me? Are you?
Price does too. So if you see a lower price somewhere else, we'll match it. Plus, you get free and fast delivery. Shop in-store.
God! Oh!
We'll match it. Plus, you get free and fast delivery. Shop in-store.
God! Oh! 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 Are you serious? let me get out and show you.
Okay, so call man.
Okay. I don't know what to.
Call 911.
Probably. Yeah, we got two people hồi trước bà nói con có cho exact same thing, có cảnh sát đứng đó. Ooh. No, we need to get the cop. This is my work truck. I cannot do it.
Giờ bị khơi giờ rồi là nó giờ chắc cái ba
Oh.
rồi.
Manual recording will now start.
Runways were made of precious metals. Luxury is a state of mind. It's where you live, and you can find it at any moment. If you just know where to look, because luxury is where you are.
Thomas was also sleeping in the unheated garage in 19-degree weather. DA Ray Tierney says teachers at the elementary school that Thomas attended flooded CPS with thousands of calls. Altogether, there were 11 reports made.
An errand day.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. 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 So yeah, Monday and I guess that's a good.
Alright, I gotta go, Armando.
Did you see me turning? And I had my blinker on?
I didn't see
You
you.
saw me turning. I was in the middle of the road. How could you not miss me? I was crossways this way, buddy.
Because
I
it
was
looked like you were
crosswise.
trying to turn into this lane.
No, I was trying to get over. And you were going around me. I had my blinker on. What do you want to do?
Well, one, let's take a breath. There's no need to get so aggressive.
Well, aggressive. I had my blinker on and you're trying to pass me really fast when I was turning around.
It looks like.
No, it's really not okay. Give me all your information.
Ford. They already have that Ford F-150 that's electric. So there's just a matter of putting it in there. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, he beat the red light.
Oh my hell. Dude. You gotta turn in the right lane, man. Cool. Piece of shit! Gotta go, just got sideswiped. Fuck! Love you, bye. Well, you go. We got an accident. Let's call 911. Well, that's it. Let's get my phone out. All right, we've got a hit and run. We have a hit and run going. You need to pull over, buddy. You need to pull over. You idiot. You're an idiot, that's for sure. Get my phone. Wasn't too wise, man.
The insurance company originally held her 100% at fault because of the video. Here he comes. You can see him turn into her. Because of this video, that was reduced to 60%. It should have been less than that because you can see him physically turn into her. The cop on the scene gave her 2 tickets because I couldn't get these videos off of the camera at the time. I sent them in to him and he went to court and had those tickets dismissed. If those tickets didn't get dismissed, that would have been 4 points on her license. So this video saved her 4 points and 100% at fault. Him hitting her on the side quarter panel like that didn't spin her out.
Oh, look at this mother. What's your problem, dude?
What's the problem?
You don't know how to drive?
No, I not drive.
Okay, give me your info then.
You hit me.
I hit you. You're the one that went to my lane.
Why you don't say
bro,
nothing with
you got this one and you got this one. So you got there's no argument. There's no argument, brother. Give me your info. Give me your info. I'm gonna call CHP as well.
Which one? What are you talking?
California Highway Patrol.
It's my right of way.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.